Hello viewers, in this video you are going to learn how to add watermark in MS Word. So to add watermark, go in page layout and here you can see watermark. Click on this and you can click on this custom watermark. From here you can add picture watermark or text watermark, whichever is according to your requirement. So firstly I am going to add picture watermark. So click on this and select picture. So I am selecting this picture and when you will click on OK, you can see here it has appeared how to tag. So if you want to add text, go in again custom watermark and click on text watermark and write here the text as how to tag, and you can change its color and size. Say I am selecting this color and click on apply, and you can see in the background it has been applied. So this is how you can add watermark in MS Word. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.